Hi, I'm Ruby Roxx, and welcome to Retro Recipes with Ruby Roxx. Today, we're going to be making some classic cocktails. My husband just called, and he's had a really stressful day at the office. I thought it would be a nice surprise to make him a Manhattan for when he gets home. Manhattans were created at the Manhattan Club in New York City around 1870. They became so popular, people started requesting them by saying, "Hey, give me that Manhattan drink." They're traditionally made using Canadian rye whiskey, sweet vermouth, and Angostura aromatic bitters. I like to make mine a little different and use cherry bitters. First, we're going to put some ice into our tumbler. It's important to add lots of ice to make it nice and cool. First, we have our Canadian rye whiskey. We're going to add 1.5 ounces. Next, the sweet vermouth, 1/2 ounce sweet vermouth. And finally, our cherry bitters, just a dash or two. It's important to stir the Manhattan rather than shake it, because shaking it will create tiny bubbles that would give it a cloudy effect. As a garnish, we'll use maraschino cherries, one right in the bottom. We'll use our strainer on top of the tumbler and pour it right in. And there you have the Manhattan.